Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would get to, we've taken the door panel off of our Honda Fit, and in this Honda Fit we want to take this, or just kind of move this to the side to be able to get the window out and the window regulator. So if that's something you're looking for. So start with, we got to get these off. There's a clip here and clip there, and then this is just glued to it. We just pull that around. And we're going to have to take this clip out for sure to be able to get that out. So we just pull that down and see here's our window and the regulator behind that. Now we're going to need to raise the window up. It'll be open access here and then this hole here, pretty sure for the front. And so the way we do that is we've taken off the and if your window regulator is broken, you're going to just raise this up by pulling it up with your hands. All right, so we've raised the window up. And we see we got access here and here to be able to loosen. Sorry. We've raised the window up to where we've got a bolt access here and we got bolt access here. We undo these bolts and then we can pull the window out, and then we can undo these bolts here and these bolts here to get the whole window regulator mechanism out. These would be a size 10. Alright, so with those two bolts removed, we can now pull the window up and out. You see, here's the top of the window. So you're just going to kind of pull it up, and then if you bring it at an angle, that gives you access to bring it up and out and remove that window. So if you were going to replace the window because it was cracked or broken, that's the way you would get it out. But also if you need to replace your window regulator, you would take the window out to be able to get the rest of the window regulator out. So now let's go ahead and put the glass back in, or put a new piece back in if you were needing to replace a new one. But to do anything inside the door, you basically take out the glass. So you got to remove the door panel. You take the two bolts here that hold the glass in and remove the glass. If you're replacing this, you need the glass removed to be able to get access behind it. And if you're replacing your regulator, you need the glass removed to do that. So we're going to go ahead and put the glass back in. We've got our piece of glass. It's best if you go you're going to go up and from the outside kind of through the door, and you're going to lower it in at an angle. That way you can get it into the channel. Start the front piece in the channel on this side, which is the rubber sealing, and then get the back one to go in, and then just slide it down until you get to your regulator. And then you're going to put your number 10 bolts in there. And with your bolts in, it doesn't hurt to put your key on, try it, and raise the window up and down to make sure that when you get to this stage, everything is working. So that's how you put your window back in of your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.